What's up, guys? Before this video starts, I want to give a little clarification on what happened. So basically, in the beginning, I drove over there and they were already being jerks. The guy was specifically being a jerk. The woman was cool. So basically, the lady got in because I actually turned my camera on because I knew something was going to pop up. So I wanted to make sure I turned my camera on. I forgot to turn my camera on, but this happened prior to the video you guys are about to see. I won't make it very long. But basically, I pulled up. The guy had a bunch of equipment. Obviously, I had way too much equipment for my small car. My car is a compact economy car. It's a Toyota Corolla. It's a very small car. Toyota Corollas are small. They're not very big. They do save a lot of gas, though. That's the point of them, right? So I pulled up. The lady get in my car, and she just closed my door up. I'm like, hey, can you close my door because the bugs gonna get in at night? Bugs get in your car. All right, I don't feel like having in my ear, in my ear all night. I've dealt with that before. I don't like it because it's so hard to get bugs out of your car when there's a bunch of them in there because they hide. Okay, so I'm like, hey, can you please close my door? And she's like, just talking. I'm like, hey, can you please close my door? Because she just had the door open for no reason. Just sitting there with the door open. I'm just like, hey, can you please close my door? Because bugs are gonna get in. She didn't even listen to me. So I'm just like, okay, well, I'm gonna try to be cool about this. The dude's putting all his stuff in the back, right? So he comes in. First, he's like, hey, can I sit in the front seat? I'm like, no, because due to the C word I can't say, I don't want to get demonetized, no one's allowed to sit in the front seat. And they didn't have any face mask on my ad either. So, basically how it went, right? They come, okay, this is how it went, right? So they come, and the lady's sitting in, she finally closes my door after like literally a minute or two. And the dude has his long, what is it, guitar or something like that? I'm not really sure what it is, but it's a very long instrument. And he's like, let me put this in the front seat. I'm just like, oh, it's too big for my front seat. He's like trying to put it like it's too big for my front seat. All right? Like it's literally, it was like as tall as me. All right? But it doesn't bend down to sit. It's like straight. So it wouldn't fit in my front seat. He's like beating my car, scuffing it up. I'm like, dude, like if it can't fit in the trunk, it won't fit. All right. You need to get a bigger vehicle, is what I said. All right. My bad. Something was flying on my screen, but I'm like, hey, you need to get a bigger vehicle. Right. He's like, oh, no, we don't need to get a bigger vehicle. I'm like, look, if everything doesn't fit in the trunk where it's supposed to go, then you need a bigger vehicle. Right. And the dude's like, and it's so stupid. He's like, he gets an attitude with me. He's like, oh, well, okay, fine. All right, I guess you don't know what customer service is. Like, beating my car up due to customer service. That makes absolutely no sense. Anyway, so the dude gets angry with me and he like throws it in the back seat with the lady still in there. And he gets in all angrily, right? So I'm just like, okay. I'm like, hey, how are you guys tonight? He's like, nope, like, shut your mouth. Look forward. We're just sitting here. I'm just like, you don't know me, all right? Like, I'm trying to be nice. You don't know me, dude. I can be very unpleasant. All right? People that know me and subscribe to me on both of my YouTube channels, they know I can be very unpleasant. I'm trying to be nice. So then, what I'm about to show you guys, pretty much is what took place. And yeah, I don't like bugs in my car, what it really boils down to. So they were already being disrespectful. And then everything happened, and it was already 2 minutes into the ride, and then pretty much what I'm going to show you guys is what happened. Make sure you guys leave a comment, let me know your thoughts, like it, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Enjoy the footage.
It's like, you guys blow that dumb shit out. That'll be let down. Let's see what will be.
Can I have my window cracked? I need some air.
I have the windows locked because when you open the window, bugs get in, and then I have to deal with the bugs. So you're like
new to Uber and customer service?
Can I have air then?
All right, so
It's like we're dying back here, man.
All right, you guys get out.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I'm absolutely positive. I'll cancel it. You don't have to pay anything, but yeah, I feel disrespected, so you can get out.
Wow. That's incredible.
Yeah, so.
Yeah. We're gonna give
Can you
you
pop
a
your trunk, please?
0 rating.
Yeah, I
I've got
already
like
popped it.
$1,000 worth of gear back there.
Yeah, the last of us three.